name is Eileen Perez. I'm an astrophysicist, and this is formation of a black hole in a galaxy. So it's been observed that galaxies have very supermassive black holes at the center. Now, this is not like any other black hole. These are supermassive black holes, and the origin is kind of a mystery. But there's a couple of speculations of how this comes to be. Now, at the center of a galaxy, let's say we have this a supermassive black hole. When I mean supermassive, I don't mean, oh, it's 10 times the mass of the sun. I mean, this range from millions to billions times the mass of the sun. I mean, that is millions of stars combined. So how does something get that large, and how do you form something that large? I mean, we have no idea really how to approach this, but we do have a couple of scenarios that could work. Now, at the center of a galaxy, there is a lot of stars, and then the speed varies from star to star. There's a very large distribution. And sometimes the stars will actually collide. They come near each other. Sometimes they will actually annihilate and create these giant gas clouds, or sometimes they will combine and become larger. So what are the possibilities from then on? So the first possibility is that you have larger massive stars, so they have already collided and they formed a more massive star, collide with another massive star, and so forth. And this process keeps continuing until you get something that is very, very large, very massive, and it eventually collapses under its own gravity, forming a supermassive black hole. So then you have massive stars continue to collide. And then the second thing is that you have this, sometimes when they annihilate and they form these large clouds. So these clouds are so dense and so massive that they can form an actual star. So it's been theorized that the cloud has gone through collapse and formed a very massive star, and then that star turned into a black hole. So clouds collapse into star, into supermassive star, and then that supermassive star became the supermassive black hole. Now, what is the third possibility? The third possibility is that we already had a black hole at the center of the galaxy, and that it just accreted more mass, it formed a lot of mass around it, and eventually just collapsed under its own gravity and became an even bigger black hole. So that's another one. So this black hole growth. There is thousands of these. I mean, these are like the three that sort of make sense, that you don't need to really think too hard. I mean, these are very possible possibilities. So these are the most common ones. My name is Eileen Perez. I'm an astrophysicist, and this is formation of a black hole in a galaxy.